Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video of me creating my entryway table. I built this from scratch. But before I close out this video, I do want to give Selma a big shout out. She gave me a shout out on one of her videos and I did not ask her to do that, and I really appreciate that she did. I love watching her videos. I have been subscribed to her for a really long time. She does a lot of clean with me videos and vlogs with her family. She's a mom and a wife, and I really hope that you guys check out her channel. I'm pretty sure you guys would love her videos just like how I do. The link will be down in the description bar, so please check it out. I promise you guys won't be disappointed and you will get a lot of motivation to clean your homes. So I first started off with 4 pieces of wood in total. I grabbed 3 2 inches by 3 inches by 8 feet. And then the 4th piece was 1 inch by 3 inch by 7 feet. So our standard height of an entryway table is 33 inches. So I cut the 2x3 4 times to 33 inches. Then I cut 2 pieces of 31 inches, which is going to be the piece that holds the 2 legs together. And then I cut 4 pieces of 8.5 inches pieces of wood with the 2x3s to connect the 2 ends to finish off the sides of the table, and you'll see how I did that at the very end. Here I am pre-drilling my holes before I added my screws. I do encourage you guys to do this because if you do not do this, then you increase your chances of you splitting your wood. So please make sure you pre-drill your holes before you screw in your screws. In the previous clip, you guys did see that I only had 2 8.5 pieces, but as I was building the legs, I realized that I did need to cut 2 more pieces. I needed to add 2 more to the bottom to create stability to the table, and also I wanted to add an additional shelving area to the bottom of the table, so those 2 pieces were definitely a must.
Go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight.
I'm just cutting the pieces for the bottom shelving area of the table. I'm currently using the pieces from my 1x3" slab of wood. As I was cutting, I realized that I didn't have enough wood, so I actually used some wood that was recycled from an IKEA box spring slat. I had a few pieces of wood from that, so the pieces actually lined up perfectly and fit snugly in the bottom, which was a miracle. So I just used the two 1x3" pieces, and then I grabbed that box spring slat piece of wood and just sanded that down and gave it a smooth surface before I stained it.
So you and me will kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
So the items that I used to stain was an old sock from my youngest son. So I used two socks. I used one to apply the stain. I let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then I wiped the excess stain off of it.
We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
So before I started this project, when I was purchasing my wood, I decided to purchase some new toys. I got my circular saw, the saw that you guys saw me using in the beginning of this video, and this palm sander. I absolutely love it. I cannot complain. This makes the job so much easier, and it also has this compartment that sucks up all of the debris from the sanding, which is also a plus. So I do recommend these items for you if you're going to do a project like this.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just
guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first time ever making something like this. It was a challenge, but it worked out and I absolutely love it. I hope you guys do as well. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos by me, please subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. Bye.